this arrived. I am so excited. Check it out. Look, there's actually info in other languages on this. But this is what I'm most excited about. 100 colors. How do we open this? It was actually a thick plastic. Nice plastic box. This. Look at all those colors. It's elasticy. Little swatch card. Oh, glorious. All the way from lemon yellow to this metallic gem red. Wow. And this is from old mauve to gem violet. That's gem blue. Wow. Greens. And miscellaneous other reds. Greens, browns, red, yellow, a couple of yellows. This is saffron, yellow brown, yellow ochre, Mars yellow, which I wanted to see in person. I've seen a few other people swatch that. Oh, and this is the Go Fun white and the regular white and black. And these are the only grays that come in the set, which is, by Western standards, there'd be a zillion different grays, right? The Kuretake only does 2. So I think with Gansai paints, you would use Sumi inks most likely to create gray type colors. These are, oh, I was just saying Sumi. These are the Sumi colors, from Sumi red to violet and brown. And then the gold, all the shimmery metallics, gold and silver. And then these are the pearl. And then this is the granulating set, which all just looks kind of muddy and nasty, but they're these amazing aurora colors that are multicolor granulations. That's just the first set. There's actually another one that came out after this box was released. So this set was released, I want to say 2 years ago. It's for the 125th anniversary. So lovely thing about this is that these all stack. I mean, they're each individual. Oops. They're not held in at all. I'll come back to this. If you flip it over, they all fall out. But again, these are paints, so they shouldn't be too precious. How many did I drop on the floor? Only 3. Hopefully they're not all dusty or linty now. Anyway, I'll go back in and reorganize these when I swatch them out. So that's one of the problems with storing Gansai paints, is you end up with loose pans that are just kind of all over the place. If I don't organize them some way, if it's just loose on my desk when I'm painting, it just moves around. Anyway, we'll find a way to deal with that. Even though this set in this box is absolutely gorgeous and beautifully put together, this beautiful box will probably go back in the box and I'll take the paints out and put them in plastic things so that I can paint and make a mess and not feel like I'm destroying this beautiful presentation box. And honestly, the box, this beautiful box, is not really my aesthetic. It's just, if they made it in a plastic box, I would have been just as happy. But this is gorgeous. So this was on sale on Amazon. Normally, it's about $300 US. You can find it elsewhere for even more, where it's kind of been, marked up by those annoying sellers who mark everything up. But I found it for 50% off, so it was $150 US, which for 100 for all of those sets, for 100 paints, they're standard ones, all the special editions, all of those 6-pack ones that each are run between like $15 and $25. This is quite a savings. I'll have enough paint here for a few years if I paint every day. So, and it's much smaller than I expected. I mean, it's a little box, and it's going to be my go-to from now on for all of my Gansai painting. Very excited. Hooray.